In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the code node in N8N so you can build more powerful and flexible workflows. To get started, you simply add the code node to your canvas and choose between JavaScript and Python depending on your preference. Once your language is set, you need to decide on an execution mode, which determines how your script handles incoming data. The first option is run once for all items, and this is actually the default setting. In this mode, your script executes just one time and receives an array containing every piece of incoming data all at once. This is the perfect choice when you need to perform actions like sorting a long list, filtering through multiple records, or merging data from different sources into one output. The second option is run once for each item. In this mode, your script acts like a loop and runs separately for every single row or record that enters the node. This is a fantastic choice for simple tasks like capitalizing a name or adding a quick calculation field to each individual row. Before you start writing code, you must understand the way N8N structures data. Every item moving through the system is treated as a JSON object wrapped inside an array. It is vital that your scripts always return this exact structure so that the following nodes in your workflow can read the output properly. If you are using JavaScript, you will use the $sign syntax to interact with your data. When working in the run once for all items mode, you access your incoming data using the input.all method. This allows you to loop through an array to calculate a total score or summarize values across every item.